Alright, today we're in the kitchen and it is currently Pancake Day, Tuesday the 16th, Shrove Tuesday, Pancake Day, the best day of the year. I'm going to make some keto pancakes because I'm still on the ketogenic diet, which means there will be no sugar, no gluten for you glutards, and no fun because no sugar. Let's get into it. Alright, we are starting off with 3 large eggs. Let's get them cracked into this bowl. Now we are going to whisk these eggs together until frothy. And then you add the flour. Add the milk. Then you add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Get it all in there because butter's good. A teaspoon of baking powder. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the recipe says powdered sweetener, but I'm just going to go with liquid stevia. Add a squirt of that. I'm not going to count the drops because I'm not a neurotic. And then mix. Alright, now I'm going to let that rest. Alright, I definitely started with the pan a little too hot, but there is one pancake. On to the next, on to the rest of them. While we're waiting for this last one to cook, you can see what I did earlier with shitty pre-packaged pancakes that I will not be eating. There's a play button. There's a graph. There's Bitcoin. There's a pound symbol. Yeah, I did pretty well. Subscribe. And to top it all off, it doesn't look too bad. Bit crispy around the edges, but Walden Farms 0 sugar syrup. Cue the cinema. Normally I put blueberries or something on it, but I didn't have any and I forgot them at the shop. I have buttered in between each layer. Oh, almost fluffy. Look at that. Focus, you fuck. Oh, look at that. Pretty good. Get loads of syrup on there. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have official entrance into the Clean Plate Club. It's good. If you're a glutard or a keto weirdo, give it a go. Bye.